KY3.
And now, KY3 First Alert Weather.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, the sun's already up and people are out and about maybe before we get some wet and possibly wintry weather later, huh, Leah?
Today's one of those days that you'll want to stay inside just because as some colder air moves in this afternoon, it's going to transition the rain that will initially be falling to some snow. So that's what we're watching for. Today is a first alert weather day. Because of that, slick roads are possible by evening. Watching for the potential of even some flash freezing out on those roadways as the colder air moves into our area. So there's a couple things I'm looking at right now. This is the current Doppler radar picture. Down towards Oklahoma, there is some low pressure right there and a front extending from it. That front right now is just fueling a little bit of rain here in our area, but look up towards, for example, Nebraska and Kansas, that white color right there, that is snow. Well, that snow first is going to track through central Missouri, but as the colder air with it comes into the Ozarks, it's going to transition all of our precip to seeing some snow as well. So out on the radar right now, just picking up mainly rain. It looks like it's trying to pick up a few flurries out in Mountain Home, so going to watch those areas very closely. But again, we're watching rain first to move in from now until about 2 o'clock. And then as that colder air moves into the Ozarks this afternoon, it's going to transition that precip to some snowfall. And that's why we have that first alert weather day. Winter weather advisories are in effect for areas along Highway 60 and northward. But you'll notice this 3 o'clock hours still seeing that snow transition. It even lasts until 5 p.m. Still seeing snow out on the radar even by 7 o'clock. And it's not until closer to 9 when that winter weather advisory expires that we see that snow clear out of the area. So highest accumulations you can expect to mainly be in central Missouri, so areas along Highway 54. Those amounts for snowfall greatly decrease as you go to the south. So here's a look at that snowfall forecast. Again, most of us along Highway 60 up to Highway 54 getting about an inch, and then north of Highway 54 could see upwards of about 3 inches. So some of the limiting factors with those snowfall accumulations today is going to be the fact that initially temperatures are sitting above freezing, except for spots in central Missouri where the snowfall is a little bit better. Then you'll notice as that colder air comes in later this afternoon, those temperatures look up north, quickly dropping to below freezing. Well, that colder air continues to sink down to the south. That's now why we're watching for some flash freezing to occur if that rain, if anything, accumulates on the ground, and then we get that colder air coming in. Could see some problems on those bridges, overpasses, and roadways. Here's a look at the 7 p.m. hour. You'll notice all of us now, for the most part, are sitting in the 20s, so that's when we could see some slicker roads dropping to the teens tonight and then not warming up that much tomorrow, just to the mid-30s. Tomorrow and Monday are actually the warmest day that I have in store for us this upcoming week. So again, today is the first alert weather day because first that rain moving in and then those temperatures dropping in the afternoon. That'll transition that precip to snow. Expecting mainly rain just to be falling in Arkansas. This isn't going to be as big of an issue for you, but you still want to be cautious if you are out driving, especially if you're going to go up towards the Missouri area, for example. Dropping down to the 20s overnight, wind chills will be even colder than that. But again, you'll notice tomorrow and even Monday, those are the warmest days this upcoming week. Monday, I have a high temperature forecasted of 40. And then we get that Arctic blast of cold air that we've been talking about all week. And I wish these were the low temperatures, but no, those are the highs for the upcoming week. So Tuesday through Thursday, couple more chances for seeing some snow out there, but high temperatures in the 20s, lows, they're going to be in the teens, even single digits, and even colder wind